Hi, I'm Craig Autry, President of the Cumberland County District PTA.
And I'm Portia McMillan, VP for Leadership. Are you ready to be a part of Cumberland County's District PTA? Well, we welcome you and your school to our growing organization.
Here at the Cumberland County District PTA, we like to say that membership has its benefits. Some of the benefits you will experience as being a member of our District PTA will be training on how to properly conduct your PTA meetings within your local schools, as well as learn how to properly manage your PTA fund dollars.
Both Craig and I would like to invite you to be a part of our county-wide workshops where you can receive education and training for parents and students.
And for additional information, make sure you log on to the Cumberland County Schools website to see about upcoming events of our District PTA. We'd like to thank you for your time today, and we look forward to seeing you as members of the Cumberland County District PTA.